Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to use the Teleparty Chrome extension to watch shows with friends online. This tutorial is only about setting up Teleparty in Chrome. So firstly open your Google Chrome, then visit Chrome Web Store. Here you will search for Teleparty. Here you will see Netflix Party is now Teleparty. Then click on Add to Chrome and click on Add Extension. After installing, the Teleparty icon will appear at the top right corner in the extension toolbar. Here you will see it will almost completed. Now mark it as pin. So firstly you want to log in using your ID, Gmail ID. Click on next, then click on accept and proceed. Click on allow. Here you will pick a service to start watching with friends and family or just give it a try. So like I will select Netflix. You can finish sign up. Here you will see after the sign up completed, you will just click on the Teleparty icon. Select Amazon. Here you will see you will want to sign up first with your ID, then click any of the show, then simply click on the Teleparty icon and it will create a link. You can share it with your friend to watch this series together. Then click start party. When they open the link with the Teleparty extension installed, they can join the watch party. And that's it. How you can set up Teleparty Chrome extension for watching shows with friends online. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy extension tutorials. Thanks for watching.